Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can hide downloaded apps on your iPhone. Well, it's quite easy. So in here you can see Snapchat is currently downloaded on my iPhone. If I want to hide this particular application, what I can do is simply long press on it just like this. And after doing that, here you can get the option of required Face ID. Tap on it. And then here you'll get two options, require Face ID or hide and require Face ID. So you'll have to tap on the option hide and require Face ID just like this. And now your Face ID will be required. And just like this, here you'll get this pop-up. All you have to do is tap on hide app. Here you can see now I cannot find Snapchat anywhere. If I get to the app library and search for Snapchat, here I won't still be able to find Snapchat. So if you want to find the hidden application, what you're going to do is get to the app library just like this, and you'll have to now scroll all the way down. Then you'll get the option of hidden in here. So all you have to do is tap on this hidden album. And then your Face ID will be required again. Then you'll be able to see your hidden application just like this. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.